Hey IQers, Jonathan Levinson here with your daily Excel tip. So in this video, we're going to bring it back a little bit to the basics. So I want to talk about worksheets. So obviously we have an Excel workbook, right? And then we have our various worksheets on the bottom. So when you right click on these different worksheets, you get these different options. So we have the ability to do is insert a new worksheet. We can delete them. We can rename. We can even move or copy them to another workbook if we needed. We can view code, which is more of the macro side, and VB. We have the ability to protect that sheet, right? So I can protect this sheet so no one else can make any changes to this. I also have the ability to change my various tab colors, as well as the ability to hide. Um, that's another option when people are using tables to look up, but they might not want someone else to view that tab. So that's pretty much that when it comes to worksheets. I'm just going to go ahead and make a copy of this real quick. So I'm going to right click, I'm going to move or copy, and then it's saying, hey, what do I want to go? Well, I want to do it in the basics workbook. But I do have that option to choose a new one. So I'm going to say I want to move it to the end and I want to create a copy of that worksheet. So you'll notice it automatically renamed it to detail 2, and I can go ahead and rename that to whatever I'd like. So while we're here and we have some data inside of our new name worksheet, I want to just point out a couple of things. So I got this data, right, and I can't really see it all. Sure, I can go and change the length of the columns, but what people don't realize is if you just click on the middle over here, the intersecting, and then you double click on A, it will actually fix the column lengths for all of the data. So that's a good thing. The other thing that I want to talk about, and I'll go into more detail on another session, is about tables. So tables are a little bit different than your typical range. Again, your range, this is your range, right? This is your range of data. So I'm going to go ahead and convert this range to a table. And I highly recommend you doing this if you're working with large amounts of data. So I go up to the Insert tab, and then from here I can click on Table. And what you'll notice is it will grab the full range of the data for your table. And in this case, my table has headers, right? I have order, date, region, rep, item, so on and so forth. So I go ahead and hit OK. So now it creates it into a table, and we have options such as, the way it kind of looks. Um, we also have the ability to do total rows. And what you'll notice too is as a table, you'll notice your headers are always frozen at the very top. But you'll see now we have this totals row where we have the ability to change the type of aggregation. So I'm going to go ahead and just say this is a sum, and then I really just want to see a count. So I have a total of 43 records. So that's very high level about tables. Another thing is about functions in tables, but we'll get that going in the next session. That's it for me. You guys have a great day, and yeah, we will chat tomorrow.